Top 75 questions asked in the last 2 3 months to ace your Accenture interview. General HR questions. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What are your hobbies? How do you handle stress, pressure, and anxiety? Can you work under pressure? Why should we hire you? What are your salary expectations? Would you like to relocate to travel for the company? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is more important to you, money or work? What does success mean to you? What is the difference between confidence and overconfidence? What makes you angry? Do you have any question for me? Company specific questions. What do you know about Accenture? Why Accenture? What is your understanding of Accenture working culture? What are the most emerging technologies you know of? Education and academic questions. Tell me about your academics and education background. What is your least favorite subject and why? Did you have any backlog or gaps during your studies? What is your favorite subject? Project related questions. Explain your project in detail. What tools and technologies did you use in your project? What is a team project or an individual one? What was your role in the project? What challenges did you face during the project? How did you overcome those challenges? What did you learn from your project? What was your team size and how was the work divided? How did you handle conflicts within your team? Can you share a successful story related to your project? Can you share an unsuccessful incident and how you dealt with it? What is the feedback you received on your project? How would you use your project knowledge in real time scenarios? What are the real world applications of your project? Now, coming to leadership and team management questions. If you were a team leader, how would you divide the work? How would you handle disagreements in a team? Why were you chosen as the team leader of your project? Technical skills questions. What technologies and programming language are you familiar with? Explain a technical challenge you faced and how you resolved it. Do you have any certification or training in specific domains? Have you worked on projects outside your college curriculum? What are your views on trending technologies like AI, ML, and cloud computing? Explain OOPS concept with example. Now scenario based questions. Describe a time you faced a difficulty situation and how you handled it. What was your most disappointing moment and how did you recover? Give an example of moment you received constructive criticism and how you acted on it. Share an instance where you achieved something significant. Describe a miserable situation in college and how you overcome it. SQL and database questions. What is normalization and why is it important? Explain 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and BCNF with examples. What are primary, foreign, and composite keys? What is difference between delete, truncate, and drop? What is difference between where and having clause? What are joins? Explain inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. Write a query to find a duplicate records in a table. What are subqueries? How are they different from joins? Explain the asset properties of the database. What are stored procedures and triggers? Provide examples. What is indexing in SQL? Write a query to fetch the second highest salary from a employee table. What is the difference between union and union all? What is a self join? How do you optimize an SQL query? Programming questions that has been asked in the last month. Write a program to compare two strings without using string component. Write a program to reverse a string and check for palindrome. Write a program to generate the Fibonacci series. Write a program to find the factorial of a number. Write a program to swap two variables without using a third variable. Write a program to concatenate two strings. Write a program to implement recursion. Write a program to use command line arguments. Write a program to print 1 to 100 without using a number. Write a program to print duplicate characters in a string. So thank you everyone. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.